Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create an AI website totally for free within Framer. So once you sign up for a free account within Framer, you will see a screen something like this, but you need to tap on Start with AI. So tap on that, and this will redirect you to the site builder, as you see. So here you see a lot of options. You can take a tour if you tap on this play button, but you also can just close this, exit the tutorial, and here you see Start with AI. So when you hover over this desktop page, you see Start with AI. So tap on that, and here you can type your prompt. So a sleek landing page for yearly, a portfolio page for Matt Berry, photographer in Amsterdam, a launch page. As you see here, you can paste or type your prompt about your website. So enter any information about your business, about your website that you would like to add, and it will generate a site within a few seconds. So basically paste the text, something like this: a modern, black, bold, minimalistic landing page for an exclusive $50 per month entrepreneurship community called Hoppa, and then just some more information. Something like this is okay. Then tap on Start, and this will now the Hoppa, or I'm sorry, Framer will create a whole site for you. That is absolutely insane. As you can see, this is so great. So now it's generating a page. So it generates for desktop, for tablet, and for mobile as well. And once you want to see it, you tap on this this icon, and here you can see your site, and that looks so good. As you can see, it even creates pricing and nice discount. And add email forms. It's so great, and just a nice color branding, exclusive, just like things I said. So if you want to change the colors, you can easily change the palettes like this. Very nice. But what you also can do, if you do not like how this turned out, you can tap on the regenerate. So you can change something if you want to, but you also can just press on Start again, and this will generate you a whole new site. Of course with the same prompt, but you can change it if you want to. So as you can see, now it generated something new. As you can see, this is how it looks on tablet, this is how it looks on mobile. As you can see, take action, achieve greatness, why choose Hoppa. So it, kind of a call to action, or building credibility. Limited spots, ready, it's time, and here a nice call to action. Join Hoppa, some questions. So if you like this more, you can choose this. I personally prefer the other website more. And a nice footer, as you can see, and this is even customized. So learn, courses, mentors, community. As you can see, it's so great. And that's what I love about Framer. You also get a lot of inspiration. So if you want to regenerate once more, you can again press on regenerate, then press on Start. And sometimes it gives the error, we're asking too much of OpenAI, please try again in a minute. So you just need to wait, but basically you can regenerate every time. You can take inspiration, you can build a site from this. It's so great. So you can cancel anytime. It even has personalized questions, personalized, a whole personalized site based on this little prompt you gave Framer. So it's so nice. So again, you can regenerate right now. And this is again a whole other site. And again, a call to action to join Hoppa. I think I like the first one the most, but you know, you can take inspiration from this, for example, or just from some elements. And yeah, this mobile site looks very good as well. It's all mobile optimized. Really, really nice. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.